How to reactivate Uber Eats account. Welcome to the channel and let's start with a tutorial. Open up a browser on your device and search for Uber Eats help and select the first suggestion. In the dialog box, you have to go ahead and enter the issue. So go ahead and type in reactivate my account and give it a search. In here, you'll find various of articles. Select I can't log into my account. In here, you'll find a form type of layout which you have to fill. So first and foremost, you have to enter your first and last name. Then go ahead and enter your mobile number and make sure to select your country code. Mention 2 of the recent Uber Eats order and share detail of your problem. That is, your account got deactivated and you want to reactivate it. Also mention the email address where they can contact you. At the bottom, re-enter the email address where the team can contact you again. Then select I'm not a robot, then tap on Submit. Now once you do this, Uber Eats team will get back to you with a solution. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.